So for this hand molding, basically we need first the raw material. So this one is the plastic raw material in a granule form. So this one is the mold, which is in two half. The simple mold for the hand molding, which is the core and cavity. So that mold is held in the machines with the help of hand. Then this one is the plunger, material feed to the plunger, and the heater given to this plunger and ram. So that will be, this one is not a completely hand molding, this one is the semi hand molding. You have to load and unload the mold by hand, but with the help of this hydraulic cylinder we can press this plunger and you will get this part, plastic part.
Friends, for plastic product design, download the applications and visit to our website and take the subscription and start the learning plastic product design. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Kiran Data. In that we will cover the all related to plastic product design and molding, mold related and assembly related things. So today we will visited the one of the shop which is the hand molding. To design the any kind of product, we need to know the feasibility of manufacturing, tooling and assembly. Then only you can able to design the independently any kind of part. As I said, the part designed for fabrication you cannot manufacture by the molding, or the part designed for the casting you cannot manufacture by the fabrication method. So first we know the material, the manufacturing, the tool and the assembly knowledge. So this one is the one of the major important things we will cover in this video. So watch video till the end. Also like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Press the bell icon. So this one is the one of the insert molding kind of parts. So this one is the one insert. Over this insert we need to mold the plastics over this metal. So this one is the runner and this one is the gate point given. So this one is the injection molding of hand molding, and others are some automated injection moldings, but that are we will see in our next video. So friends, to understand the in detail knowledge of hand molding manufacturing method for small parts and for prototyping, please download our app and visit to website and take the subscription of plastic product design. So you will understand the feasibility of manufacturing. By that you will understand the detail of product designing. So such are the plastic components which are manufactured through the hand molding, like such components. So for detailed video visit our applications and website. Thank you. Molding, we are able to manufacture from the 1 gram to 20 grams of articles, any plastic component, which is the simple one, means not used by using the lifter sliders, but we can make it the whole slots by using the pins or the blocks or punch likewise. So in detail I will explain in the video. Nomenclature we will understand. So this is the slot given to put your mold. So in this slot we hold the mold. With the help of this we will rotate this by manually and we will hold the core and cavity in this slot. So this one is the cylinder, or we can say as a barrel. So in the barrel, having at the end having the nozzle, and barrel carry the material from this plunger. So to heat this raw material plastics, this heater is provided on the periphery of the barrel, and this one is the plunger. This plunger will operated with the help of this hydraulic cylinder, and the hydraulic cylinder will be operated with the help of this valve or knob. So we will feed the material here and we will set the temperature as per the material, and once the temperature will get, the material will melt, and that melted material we will press with the help of hydraulically and our part get filled. So then we will open the mold and we will get the plastics component like such. So for different component we need to change the mold. So we can make such components with a single cavity, or if small component then we can make it by multi cavity also, but it depends. Multi cavity means more than one part at a time. So this one is the two parts we manufactured. So this one is the runner, sub runner and the gate provided, and this one is the end point of the nozzle. So we will see how it will work. So the operator is working on machines. So see, so this one is your raw material or the granules. In this granule, so now mold is closed, it will tight with the help of hand. Now this knob is operated, the material is fed for the next cycle, not for this cycle. Now mold is open and article is removed out. So again, now this one is another component, is the insert molded or over molding. So again mold tight, knob operated, this plungers come out, then again material fed for next cycle, again open it and your part is open here. So same cycle will repeat for the hand molding. So initially all will be done with the help of plastic molding only, hand molding. So after that it get in advanced technology. So now all machines are automated with horizontal. We can manufacture a door panel or dashboard also, or such component huge in terms of weight and size also. So see, this one is the article before molding and this one is the plastic over molding on this metal. So this work is going on. So now we have to understand the how is the mold for hand molding. So these are the components or articles and these are the molds. So one by one I will explain you how the mold required for the hand molding and which kind of feasibility need to consider for the molding and specifically for the hand molding. So it's any hand molding or automation molding, horizontal, vertical molding, we have to follow the design guideline of plastic product designing. So that we will see one by one. Now for this component we need to make the tool. So this mark is showing as a parting line from where our two halves open, core and cavity halves, and this part is splitted into two halves. So we need to know the related to mold. So this is the simple mold for the hand molding. We will definitely go for the lifter and slider molds for door, dashboard, central console and pillars, but we will start from such molds. So this simple concept we will need to understand. So now this one is the hand mold. So in this hand mold, this one articles, this face is extracted and taken into this one. So this one we can consider as a cavity. Now what's happened? Now these two halves is taken into two. So we can say as that's are sliders. So how it will work? So this one side of article is taken into this one. So this one is the undercut because this one is the step is here. So to get this step, now I will show you. So this one is the step is there. So this step is means what? This is the undercut. So to cover this undercut and need to make clear, for that we requires the slider. So that half side is taken into this slider. So same is a circular part. So the other one also here. So in this taken, and to make this hole, this core will be there. So this one is the tool for this component. This one is taken into cavity. This one is the undercut due to this step. This make into two halves, which is the sliders. So this one is the second slot. First having this one, second one is this one. So once you close this, and then now this one is the exactly replica or profile of the component. Then this one is the runner or screw given for the opening of the material. Material will come from this and flow through this chamber. Then we will close up this mold and we will put this mold into the machines. Once we feed into the machines, then we have to rotate this and clamp this mold tightly, and then we need to feed the material here, and then we will press and the heated material will come out through this and you will get the part. Now we will see the another same mold for this part. Now see, this is the two cavity mold, because you will get the two parts at the same time. So see, this one is the again simple parts, so it's mainly into two halves. So this one is the core side, which is this one, and the second one is cavity side. So this one is the cavity side. So this one is the A surface, this one is the B surface. So now this one is the wall. So for this wall we provided the draft to take out from this, otherwise it will not remove out from this mold. So due to draft you can easily remove it. And now this one is the mold in closed condition is like this. So once you open this mold, then you will get the component which is the exactly replica of these two parts. Okay, so we will see now the next type of mold. So we will see the next type of mold again. So this one is the component. Now in this component, see, holes is there. So this one is again undercut because these two holes is not cover or clear from the main tooling direction. So for this again we need a sliders. So this is the mold. Now this profile, whatever is this profile, it will be exactly replica for this. See how is the shiny polished surface. So that will be in this one. Okay, and the whatever profile of this and this cuts, that all are implemented here. Now one side pins is given. Now see, this one is the manual slider for that, making that two pins. Which one? For this one. So this one is two hole. To get that hole, this pin is there. So once your cavity is here in this, that this pin passes throughout this and you will get from these holes as undercut. So this is the manual slider, because we are looking a manual hand molding machine. So after that we need to see the again example of different one. So one more round parts example similar to previous one. Due to this, whatever the slots, the undercut is there, and to avoid that undercut we need these sliders, and this is a parting line mark. So this is the one of the tool. After that again one more tool is there. So this one is more interesting, now having this part with the threading also. So threading also possible with the help of hand molding. You have to make the core cavity like this and having the core. So this one is the core, main core, and you are able to make the threading parts also with the help of such molds. Only the thing is, now see, this one is the core. Yes, so threading is there means what? Thread is means again it's undercut. So if you are able to see, this one is the parting line. Parting line means this undercut is clear with the help of two sliders again. So this is the one slider with the thread, that's exactly extracted. So this one also extracted. So likewise we are able to manufacture the component from the hand molding. So if you have any doubt, any questions related to hand molding, hello friends, if you have any doubt or question related to plastic injection hand molding machines or the hand molding tool, please comment so I am able to answer. Also download our app which is related to plastic product design. First you need to understand the material manufacturing, tooling and assembly, then only you are able to design the parts with the help of feasibility. So thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.